9. If you multiply 69 and 69 and again 69 3 times, you find the cube of it, it is 328509. Right? Okay, can anyone give me your date of birth? I'll tell you which day you were born on.
14 August 1954.
You're from Pakistan?
Yes.
You're born on Pakistan Day?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. 14th August 1954 was a Saturday. Did I? You don't know it?
Yes.
Okay, you can ask your children, your marriage anniversary, anything else. Who else would like to know your day of birth?
29th September.
29th?
29th of September 1975.
1975. You were born on a Monday.
Correct.
Okay? Yes, sir.
1963, 21st of May.
21st of May. You were born on a Tuesday. Okay. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
17th of January 1959.
17 January 59. Okay, that's a lucky day, and you were born on a Saturday. Okay, yes.
2nd March.
Yeah,
2nd March 1945.
2nd March 45. Friday. Yes, sir.
9th August 1931.
9th August 1931. You're 81 years old, yeah? Okay. And, you were born on a Sunday. Sunday is a lucky day. Okay, one, two. Yes.
15th March 1976.
15 March 76. You were born on a Monday. Yes, sir. One more.
1/4/1962.
Okay, last two in this. 1st April 62. You were born on a Sunday. And Sunday is a lucky day. Even I'm born on a Sunday. Yes.
2nd September 1969.
2nd September 69. The year of. Okay. You were born on a Tuesday. Okay, I just demonstrated something in front of you. We'll do more data a little later. How many of you here feel that you have a good memory? Raise your one hand. No one? Okay, how many of you feel you're forgetting? You have a bad memory? Raise both your hands. There's no gun here. Okay. Now, the first thing for us is that we don't have anything called a good memory or a bad memory. In reality, memory is either trained, and if not trained, it is untrained. So let us see. Would you like to train your memories?
Yes.
Can you hear? Louder. Louder.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So we require three things for it. One is I, one is O, one is C. Can anyone tell me what I is?
Intelligence.
Intelligence close, but not the right answer.
Intellect.
Intellect, okay. Any others? I?
Imagination.
Absolutely right. How do you know? That's correct. I stands for... Okay. I stands for imagination. Okay, that's a very good answer. What does O stand for?
Observation.
Right. And what does C stand for? In our Bombay classes, all the mothers complain to me, my son, my daughter doesn't have C. C stands for? They don't study with C.
Common sense.
Concentration.
Concentration.
Okay, the common problem everywhere. So if you have imagination, observation, concentration, you can train your memory, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Can everybody stand up for a minute? Okay, there are 5 great trees of London: oak, beech, chestnut, elm, maple. I would like you to learn this using your imagination, using a action series. Oak is a tall tree, so raise your hands and loudly say oak.
Oak.
What's the first tree? Oak. Now comes beech. Beech is always down, so let's go down. Beech.
Beech.
Okay, what's the first tree of London?
Oak.
And then?
Beech.
Now comes chestnut. Hit your chest and say chestnut.
Chestnut.
Now 2 more words. Elm. E-L-M. Touch your eye and say elm.
Elm.
And the final tree is maple. This is the action. Maple.
Maple.
Okay? Can you show me their trees on your own? What are they?
Oak.
Oak.
Elm.
Beech.
Chestnut. Elm.
And
Maple.
maple. Very good. And you can sit down. You have a good exercise. If you repeat this a few times, once, twice, thrice, it becomes a part of your permanent memory. There's something called short-term memory that you learn once and you forget later. Something called long-term memory that stays with you always. So imagination basically is the creativity. Who discovered the law of gravity?
Newton.
Newton. Then, when was that? When did he discover? When he saw the
Apple falling
apple
his
falling
head.
down. So everyone saw that, only he was the one who used his imagination as creativity. So if we are as imaginative, we can also increase our imagination. What is observation? I'd like to test the audience. So what's your name? Yeah. Bashir. Spell it. No. What's your name?
Zahir Islam.
Sorry?
Zahir Islam.
Zahir. Spell it.
ZHWR.
Whoever has understood the answer, raise your hand. Okay. What's your name? Saman. Spell it. Bad you're not yet heard. What's your name?
Money.
Sorry?
Money.
Money. Spell it.
M-A-N-I.
Who has understood? You have understood. What's your name? 29th September.
Sebastian.
Spell it.
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 Spelling of it is IT. See, it's observation. I'm not asking you to spell your name. I'm just saying spell it. One more observation for all of us here. What is this written in Roman letters?
It's 2.
9.
9? Can everyone see this?
Yes.
This is a 9. Now, can you use your observation and say how to make it a 6? Can you make this a 6?
Turn it upside down.
Then it becomes 11. No. Then it becomes 11. How can you make it a 6? Is that your observation? Anyone?
Put S.
Who said that?
Put S.
Correct. Absolutely right. You just put S and it became a 6. So once your presence of mind increases, you can really do lots of things wonderfully. I would like to share a couple of maths tricks with you since I started with certain calculation skills. Does anyone here know what is 5 into 5? 5 times 5?
25.
Okay, 15 times 15. 15 into 15. 2 to 5. And one more, 25 into 25.
625.
Okay, now don't use the calculator. Raise your hand if you know this. What is 75 times 75?
5625.
Okay, how do you know the shortcuts? The Vedic math
Yeah,
shortcuts.
no, I didn't do anything. I used to practice sometimes,
Okay. Okay, so what he did here was, it's a very well known Vedic maths shortcut. If you want to do 75 times 75, what's 5 5s are?
25.
25. And what comes after 7? 8. 7 8s are 56. Did you follow this? So can you tell me what is 85 into 85?
4669.
No. 8 into 9.
8 into
8 into 9 is 72. 7 2 2 5. That's how we do it. Did you remember the trees of London? I just showed you. I forgot. Do you still
Oak.
remember? What were they?
Oak,
Oak,
beech,
beech,
chestnut.
chestnut, elm,
elm,
maple.
maple. So bit of revision is essential. Anything you learn, if you revise within 8 hours, it becomes a part of your permanent memory, else it doesn't. Does anyone here know on using our observation skills, what is 21 into 21?
441.
Okay, and what is 31 into 31?
62.
It's 961.
31 into 31.
961, right?
Okay, 961. Okay, we do not know this offhand, but I'm sure everyone here knows what is 12 into 12. What is 12 into 12?
144.
144. And what is 13 into 13?
169.
169. That's something which everyone knows. Now, if you are alert and you knew this, what's the reverse of 12?
2 1.
2 1. The answer also reverses. 144 becomes 441. And 31 becomes 961. Does anyone know what is 27 into 27?
729.
Yes. So 27 into 27, if you need to do, what you need to do is, what's the reverse of 27?
2 7.
72. And 7 plus 2 becomes? 7 plus 2 becomes 9.
9.
So that's the answer. Okay. So I would like to just pass this to the audience. Can you please take it and pass it on? Some say 5-10 in each row. Just pass it on, please. Take and pass it on.
Yeah, you just pass it. Can I have some more?
Give me a paper.
Can we have some more, please? One is there. One more. We need one more.
One.
Oh, I mean, this one is there.
Sorry? Yeah, 2.
Thank you, sister.
Okay, you all have the factorial sheet. What is the factorial? Suppose it's 20 factorial, it means 20 into 19 into 18 into 17, right up to 1. It's not up to 0 because then everything becomes a 0. So I can multiply numbers up to 30. You give me a number and I'll try to give you the answer. The answers are in front of you. 24. Oh, that's a big number. 24 into 23 into 22, right up to 1. And the answer is 620 4484 017 332 394 3936 000.
0.
Any other? 12 is easy. 4790 bigger one.
17.
Okay, that's also easy. Should be over 20 anyway.
28.
That will 30. Okay, that's the right number. 30 into 29 into 28, right up to 1. The answer is 255 370 2180 5930 760 5908 52096 000
0.
See, we use 5 things to do big calculations like this. We use I, C, V, A, R. Can you tell me what I stands for?
In-
I stands for what? Not imagination again. Something else.
intelligence.
Right. Absolutely right. 2 great people got the I's. First one you, second one you. I stands for intelligence. What does C stand for?
Concentration.
Consider.
What's your name, sir?
Franklin.
You're from USA?
No, from India.
Okay.
Tamil Nadu.
I think I met you, remember your brother? He was full of confidence.
No, I'm only son to my parents.
Okay. That man was like you, he was full of confidence. Excuse me, I've given a hint to you. C stands for?
Confidence.
Confidence. Okay.
Mentioning about me.
No, actually I was giving a hint. Actually, that's the way you remember. C stands for confidence. What does V stand for? In our memory classes, we always say, don't mug up things, do V and do A. That's how you remember. So what does V stand for? Who said vision?
Visualize.
Very close. Visualization. Don't mug up things because then you forget very easily. And what does A stand for?
Attitude.
No?
A.
A stands for what? I'm sorry? Very close but not the right answer. Anyone? What does A stand for? Ability, again close. So you're from India? You're part of the Chennai Association?
No, I'm not.
Not association. Chennai Association. And you got the answer? Association. A stands for association.
Okay.
And what does R stand for? Again, we tell to all our students who come to our class,
Remember.
unless you don't R, you don't. Yeah, but how do you remember? When you revise.
Yes.
Revision.
Revision.
Unless you don't do your revision, you cannot really remember things. And revision should be done within 8 hours. Anything new you learn, you have to revise within 8 hours. Otherwise, that thing is out of your memory. Yeah, if you're very busy with your career and you can't revise, then at least revise within 480 minutes, if not 8 hours. Do you get me? That is 8 hours only. 480 minutes is 8 hours. Meaning there is no possible excuse, you have to do your 8 hours revision. Okay. Do you all face a problem of remembering names and faces?
Yes.
Do you have a problem of remembering birthdays?
Yes.
Sometimes you forget your own wife's birthday. Doesn't happen. Okay. I'm giving you some birthday sheets. Can you please pass the factorial sheets back and can you take the birthday sheets? A few in each row. See, maybe, I think it will be probably one for all. Come here.
Just Can I have it, please, sir? Excuse me. Fact sheets.
Hello, how are you? Nice to see you. Taiwan friends. Yes, I know. How is Dr. Hu Shiming? How is he? Hu Shiming?
没有联系。
No?
Not now is no time to connect with him.
Pass some
Okay.
Yeah.
你现在有跟他联络吗？现在还在找。
We need many.
You can just two people please share one.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
there are. There are.
Thank you.
Okay, these are around 3,000-4,000 individuals. Their birthdays are there. So read out any person's name first, and I'll tell you the birthday of that person.
Yes,
Then I'll make you remember some of birthdays of the people present here. Yeah, any name of anybody.
Yogesh Tambe.
Yogesh Tambe, 3rd May.
Yes.
Okay. Who else?
Afrik Irani.
Afreen Irani is 1st Jan. Okay.
Terry Walters.
2nd August.
No, you have to say the name. Because there are many people on 2nd August. We don't meet as one person. Yeah. Lena, 14th March.
Terry Walters.
Terry Walters, 20 December.
Frankly.
It's not in the list. Franklin is, you can now give it to me, I'll put it in my future list.
Reena.
Lena, L.
Reena.
Lena who? It should be her full name. Lena. Lena is 14 March. Yeah.
Mr. Mehta.
Which Mehta? Oh, okay, only Mehta. 10th October.
Vidya.
Okay.
Vidya.
Vidya is 24th June. Okay. Now I've given you I've demonstrated my birthday list. I would like to show you how you can remember birthdays easily. How many of you are born in the month of February? Yeah, please come here. Only one person in the whole audience. How many of you are born in the month of June? June? February. No one born in June, okay. August. Yeah, come here. Okay. And this is August. Please come here. August? June. And one more. The next
Hello,
month is the Christmas month.
Kanchana.
Who was
We are
born
in
in
the
December?
hall. Yeah, we're in the hall. If you like to come here at about 5:30, we
Say
are
born in
here.
December?
December.
Okay. Mr. Franklin, you have answered
Okay.
our questions. You also come.
No,
Whichever
then I
one.
will do one thing.
You can also come.
Somebody is
29th
coming to
December.
pick us up at
I memorize your
5:30. So I will phone you. I will phone you after that person comes, and she will tell you where to come.
Now let's see
at
how
6
we
o'clock.
can quickly
Okay.
learn the birthdays of these individuals here. Okay, who's born in February?
All right. So you
Yeah,
keep
please
your
come here.
mobile